Big ol' hole.
We're Bryce and Rachel, and we sold it all to live and travel full-time in our self-converted school bus. We've been traveling for almost 2 years now with our 2 kids and 2 dogs, and we're slowly finishing our build while living on the road and vlogging our experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We are at Bryce's mom's house. There's like a little side driveway where we barely fit. If you can see, this is how much room we have. But
We got enough to have our awning open a little bit.
just enough. But look at this. So we have been looking for a toolbox like everywhere. We've been searching, but it's just been like too expensive, or we like didn't want to drive that far,
Or they're just real pieces of shit.
yeah, or they're just garbage and they need a lot of work. And we come home and Terry's like, "Oh, you never guess what I have," and we're like, "What?" Check this out. This beautiful toolbox just needs a cleaning and a little bit of paint. How cool. So we're going to install it.
Thanks, Terry.
And we're going to show you how we installed it.
Yeah, baby. I just got to come down to the cut so that you don't see the bottom of the bus and the gap of it. So I'm going to have the body come down 1.5 inches, which happens to be how much this is. So let's mark it up. Just to be sure. We're just going to...
Oh, wait, you're just guessing?
No. Well, yeah, I'm just going to place it somewhere right now. Making sure it's far enough over so that...
I think, okay, we'll see. How long is it?
72 inches. So, if you hold this at that mark... Oh, I got 72.
Okay, see, that looks stupid. It's like way close over here.
It has to be.
Why?
Because it's going to be like down here. We can't have it back here or it's going to get... It has to be, I'm telling you.
I've already thought about it.
Centered, even in between, and it'll be like way back here, hanging down here. I don't want that. I'd rather it be down here. So we don't tear up our boxes. Because that wouldn't take much to hit. That's lower than the muffler is a little bit, like by this much. We still have like 18 inches, but it's just enough.
I don't think we should put it right next to this thing.
Well, I got it that far away, so I know even if it's closed, because that goes over that. Even if it's closed, it'll still have 1 inch or 2. Or like a 1/2 inch. Because look, this goes in here. It sits on this.
Why don't we put it somewhere else? Why are we putting it right here? Why not on the other side?
This is the only place it'll fit.
It won't fit on the other side?
Nowhere else. Anywhere on the bus, really. Black tank. Water pump. Hey,
I'm looking.
I told you, black tank, you know.
Yeah.
Water pump. Water tank. And that's not even long enough. Air tank with batteries and all the air dryer and everything is up here. It's the only place it'll fit.
Okay, so let's make it even.
No, babe, I don't want to hit it on the ground or even have a chance of hitting it on the ground.
I don't want it to look stupid. Alright, after much debate, Bryce is going to go back 1 inch. Just 1 inch. I want it in the middle right here so it doesn't look silly. And Bryce disagrees. Oh, it's going to look retarded. You know I'm always right.
You're not always right. No, I'm really deceiving right now because I'm riding on the bus. Help it be straight, so will you hold this up there for me?
Oh, wow. Thanks, Riley.
Is it on that line? Pull it all.
That's where the light is.
Let's see how 90 degree they are.
Hold on. Watch out, Riley.
Brackets that hold this panel sturdy I gotta drill the rivets out just so it'll come out easier and cleaner. About time. Ow. Got it.
You got them all out?
Yeah, I got them all drilled out.
Good job, babe.
Yeah, thank you.
So now what are we doing?
Cutting. Killed all of my batteries. We are letting them charge, taking a break, and it is like 90% done actually.
Yeah, and hot as balls out here, so we're gonna go inside and hang out for a little bit.
From here up all the way over to here. I just gotta cut that. That's it.
So close.
4 batteries.
All right.
Door now.
We'll see you in a little bit when they're charged.
Woo. All the batteries died on me. Got one left. Charged up a little bit, probably enough to do this one little last piece. Here we go.
I really cannot believe how hot it is here. Oh my gosh. Bryce is outside finishing up the cuts on the side of the bus, and then we're gonna chill, take a smoke break, and make dinner. And tonight we're having meatloaf and macaroni and broccoli.
There you go. Yeah, push it. Yeah, there you go. Helps it's nice and light. Thanks. Yeah. Straightens out when I get it tightened up. I'd have to consult the boss with that decision. Part that I cut the saws off.
All right.
It's a little funky.
Good job, babe. Well, it's 6:45, and I know we don't have much sun left.
Main drain steam. So this is, you want to get an idea of what we're doing here?
Yeah.
This is the top back corner, like this, up in the middle, and then another one on this side.
Cool.
And then up here in the front, 1, 2, 3, same concept.
Cool. Watch out, Mama. Get out. Cool.
We got the brackets all cut. Now I gotta get them to like stay in there so I can mount it up to the bus and use those as sort of like washers and brackets and all that, just to keep it all together. I'm gonna do like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 pretty good tapper screws. So go through all these brackets to keep them up there, so ain't going nowhere. Hey, get mine.
It feels like it's about to rain. It looks like it's about to rain.
Miley May. It's dark. Done for the evening. We're gonna finish it tomorrow morning. See you in the morning.
Good morning. It is real gloomy and rainy today, so we're just gonna kind of hang out and wait for the rain to stop, and then we'll finish up our toolbox. It's been real rainy and crappy this morning, today in general, literally all day. So we have something to return to Home Depot, and while we're there, Bryce is gonna look at some
Self-tapping screws.
self-tapping screws.
Big.
And for the toolbox, right?
Yeah.
It's we still have to like
I gotta
mount
drill.
it and
Gotta
drill holes.
Some holes in some brackets.
So we're gonna get our clothes changed and go to the store on this gloomy day. The Grinch.
Oh yeah.
A plant.
Plant.
Yeah. We're home from Home Depot. Show them what we got.
Screws, self-tappers. Nice little self-tappers that are coated so they won't rust up.
Some cheap black spray paint.
And some cheap khaki spray paint.
No, it was not cheap. This was like $2. That was like
definitely
$8.
not $2. It's crazy.
So yeah, we're gonna finish this thing up, get it painted, looking nice. It's been raining still, so I'm not really sure what we're gonna get done. But we're gonna try. We're trying to put a video out today. It's Wednesday. We'll see what happens.
Right here, I'm about to put a screw in it just to hold it up for right now so that I can pull the jack out of there.
Our baby's sleeping, so we need to be quiet. I didn't realize it was gonna be that loud, so we're gonna hold off. But this is it. It's pretty much in there. You just gotta screw a few more things in, and it's in. so cool. Bryce just finished it up. We said we were gonna call it, but we didn't. Open it up, show him how it works. What?
We need to get some hardware, some locks,
What?
a couple chains or cables.
So cool. Wow. That is so cool.
Just screw it up, really, and it's done. This is where it's going to be. This is where it's going to stay. This is where it's going to store our ish.
Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. We'll see you next Wednesday. Like and
Like and
subscribe.
We got a little off track. Can't see nothing for this thing.
Alright, cooking dinner.
Uh-oh.
Meow, meow,
Hey girl.
meow, meow.
Oh God, I couldn't move that. There's your kid's shoes.
There's my honey.